Hello everyone, my name is Viviana Marcel. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English for Academic Purposes EAP Paragraph Writing. First, I would like to give thanks and appreciation to the Urgench State University, to the U.S. Embassy in Tashkent, and to the U.S. Department of State English Language Specialist Program for supporting this project and this series of videos. Much appreciation and thanks. This EAP paragraph writing video project is divided into 12 videos teaching EAP paragraph writing and teaching strategies. Each video is approximately 10 minutes in length. Each video is divided into 5 minutes of EAP paragraph writing lesson and 5 minutes of teaching strategies for EAP paragraph writing. I am the instructor, E. Viviana Marcel. I am an English language specialist with the U.S. Department of State English Language Programs. I am also an ESL, ESP, and EAP instructor and teacher trainer. Here are our video titles: Introduction and Why, English Language Organization, Paragraph Definition and Format, Types of Paragraphs, 2 videos on the topic sentence, supporting detailed sentences, transitions, conclusion sentence, the writing process part 1 pre-activities, and the writing process part 2 writing activities. And the final video is from paragraphs to essays, an introduction to how the structure of the paragraph is almost exactly like the structure of the essay. So if you know the paragraph, it's easier to write essays. Thanks for watching this series. The video will begin now. Hello, welcome to video 9 of 12 EAP paragraph writing. Conclusion sentences. Definition and rules. Definition. Usually the last sentence of a single paragraph is a concluding sentence. Brings the paragraph to a logical conclusion. Many different kinds of concluding sentences, including restatement, opinion, and prediction. These are the most common. Sometimes referred to as a paragraph summary sentence. The rules. Do not and do. Do not copy the exact wording of the topic sentence. Do not include a new topic. Do not focus on a small idea or start your concluding sentence with, and now you know, that is the reason, that's what I learned about, or that's why. It's very informal language. You want to use more academic language, formal language. Do restate the topic sentence using synonyms. Do restate the topic sentence using a different kind of sentence, opinion or prediction. Wrap up, have a logical ending to your paragraph. And consider using transition, academic transition words to signify the end of your paragraph. In conclusion, in summary, those are the 2 most common, and they're academic and they're accepted. So think about just going with academic language. Does every paragraph require a concluding sentence? In a standalone single paragraph, the concluding sentence is required and essential. The concluding sentence should tie the whole paragraph together without simply restating the topic sentence. In a standalone single paragraph, the concluding sentence leaves the reader understanding what the paragraph was about. It matches what the topic sentence said the paragraph would be about. Types of concluding sentences. The 3 most common ways to write a concluding sentence are restatement of the topic sentence, give your opinion, or make a prediction. Let's give some examples of this. Here's a table with those 3 types of concluding sentences: restatement, most commonly used, opinion, and prediction. We're going to work with the topic sentence, Mahatma Gandhi was an influential leader. If I just restate it, it could sound like this. This is just one of many versions you could write. In summary, Mahatma Gandhi was a visionary figurehead for a number of significant reasons. You use synonyms, visionary, figurehead, and you used a number of significant reasons instead of listing the supporting detailed topics. It's a way to refer to the detailed topics without having to restate them exactly. That's restatement using synonyms. Opinion, you give your opinion at the end of the paragraph. In my opinion, learning more about the life of Mahatma Gandhi is certainly worth your time. That's my opinion. The writer gives readers their opinion. The third type of concluding sentence is prediction. You make a prediction about what you've just shared. By studying the life and times of Mahatma Gandhi, you will learn about great leadership qualities and skills. The writer predicts someone studying Mahatma Gandhi will learn about leadership qualities and skills. By studying the life and times of Mahatma Gandhi, you will learn about great leadership qualities and skills. These are the three most common. Here's a paragraph we used earlier in the series. What type of conclusion sentence ends the paragraph here? Is keep in mind that the reader should get the gist of your paragraph just by reading your topic. Is it a restatement? Is it an opinion or prediction? The topic sentence was each paragraph should deal with one topic idea. So the concluding sentence is keep in mind that the reader should get the gist of your paragraph just by reading your topic sentence. Is that a restatement? Is it an opinion or is it prediction? If you think it is opinion, you are correct. Writer checklist. Is my concluding sentence the last sentence in the paragraph? Have I used an appropriate transition to begin the concluding sentence in summary and conclusion? Did I copy the exact words of the topic sentence? Don't. Did I bring my paragraph to a logical conclusion? Did I introduce a new topic in my concluding sentence? Don't. Does my concluding sentence focus on one small idea in the paragraph? Don't. What type of concluding sentence did I use? Restatement, opinion, or prediction? Ask yourselves these questions. The writer checklists in this series are invaluable. Teaching strategy. Creating and revising paragraphs in small groups. Form small groups of 3 to 4 students. Students will not move around the room for this activity. The paragraphs they write in each group will be passed from one group to the next in a clockwise motion. Each group will be responsible for writing a simple paragraph. Students will, in each group, revise the other group's paragraphs. The paragraphs are being passed around. Students are getting an opportunity to learn how to see and revise written paragraphs. Activity directions. Inform each group they must pick a topic and write a single paragraph. Give time limit, 5-10 minutes. Needs to be simple, but simple paragraphs also need to follow the rules of paragraph writing. Each group must have a different topic. The teacher will signal when paragraphs must be passed to the next group. The teacher needs to make sure the papers are being passed to the next table in a clockwise direction. Groups are informed they must revise the paragraphs written by other groups. They write their comments and recommendations on a separate piece of paper, and they label that piece of paper with the group name of whoever wrote that paragraph. Each table will examine the paragraphs and make comments on what is correct and what is not correct. Not just what is not correct, but find out what is also correct. Activity directions. Comments should be about paragraph structure, sentence structure, readability, use of transitions. Is the paragraph about one topic? Word order. Refer to the writing checklist in each video for revising questions. What are the benefits of this activity? Students learn to see the required structures in paragraphs. What that means is right now, if you've been watching this video series, I strongly recommend you go out and start finding paragraphs in the middle of different kinds of writing. Can you locate the topic sentence? Does it match the concluding sentence? Are the details only talking about the topic? Are they using transitions? You're at the point now where you need to be able to practice seeing all of these structures inside of English paragraphs. This is also critical thinking practice, this exercise, because they have to think about what is there, what's not there. Is it okay? Is it not okay? That's critical thinking. You're also looking for what's right. That's critical thinking. This is revisioning practice. They have to be able to revise their own papers by themselves. And this is the beginning of them learning how to do this. That is the end of video 9 about conclusion sentences. The next video begins 2 parts on the writing process. The first part will be about pre-writing activities in an academic setting, if you're going to write academically. So I look forward to seeing you next video. Thanks for being here.